Oh my god, this is epic. As you can see, the water is all over everywhere. Look, man, we're in danger. We are in danger, as you can see. Like, the water is so fucking crazy. Look. Holy shit. Holy crap. Like, the water is everywhere, man. Oh, man. Holy shit. Like, this fucking rain ruined everything, man. Holy shit. We're taking live here from Sahapeng. This is Kabelo Mulekwa reporting from about this rain. I know my English might be a little bit rotten, but as you can see, like, the water everywhere, everything is messed up. Look at my home. Oh man. Wow, as you can see, we have lost everything. The TV is ruined, fridge, everything, man. We lost all of the appliances. A lot of water are in my home. Oh man. Look.